that shocking judgment that is intended to subvert the will of the people. They are accusing the president and all of us of trying to subvert the will of the people. Yet the real intention of that judgment is to stop the people of Kenya from expressing themselves on the proposed amendment in the constitution. So who is upholding the sovereignty of the people? Is it those who are proposing a constitutional amendment through a referendum, or those who are trying to stop it midway before the people express themselves? That's why some of us are thinking that hata kama Yudini umesema we respect those judges na tunawaheshimu kabisa na tutafuata sheria kuenda hiyo appeal, lakini tunaona hiyo judgment kama iko na motivation nyingine beyond the law. If you read it, you listen to what they were saying, it's like they were picking words from somebody, isn't it? It is as if the judgment was written somewhere. Sindio? Especially when you see them going on a diatribe on the president, attacking the president in a judgment. My reading, my training as a lawyer, we were trained, and that's why I don't want to be a judge myself. Never wanted to be a judge because our two judges are supposed to be self-restrained people, dispassionate, sober, non-politicians. Now here somebody reading a judgment you think is a politician on a podium. He even tells you to stand up, to sit up as you listen. Sit up. Who are you telling to sit up? With all due respect, they went overboard. They lost judicial restraint. They seemed to have a vendetta against the institution and the person of the president of Kenya, which is thoroughly unacceptable. Some of them seem to have scores to settle. Now, if you've been looking for a job and you haven't gotten it, please restrain yourself. Restrain yourself, one. We restrain ourselves, all of us. Restrain yourself. Don't use the position you're occupying to settle scores using the courts. Tunaelewana? Na nasema hiyo kwa heshima kubwa kwao. Lakini that is how we destroy this country, by not differentiating and respecting the roles that our other institutions are supposed to play. The judiciary must respect the executive and restrain themselves so that they stick to their work. They must also respect the legislative arm of this country. That's where people sit who are elected by the citizens of this country. They must always balance themselves, but when they go overboard, trying to usurp the mandate of those two other institutions, they are causing trouble and instability for our country. I don't want to go in that route, but we believe there are more judges. Many of them, talking about those particular ones, we are not accusing them. We are giving our opinion, and we have a right to give those opinions. We are citizens, just like they are, aren't we? Yeah. How can you say the president is not a citizen? Honestly, which provision of the constitution says the president is not a citizen? I thought the first thing for qualification to run, you have to be a Kenyan citizen. First and foremost, be a registered voter. You are a citizen first. That's why it's called first citizen. Now to say their rights they can't exercise like other citizens is bizarre. Some of the things we also thought we were told you can't give judgment that cannot be implemented. You start saying the IEBC now currently constituted is not complete. It can't oversee elections, and it has overseen many already. So what do we do with those who have been elected? We even have elections on Tuesday. So what are we supposed to do? Those are the things we were taught. So it is theoretical utopian judgment, because it can't be implemented. It's like that one who's saying dissolve parliament. It's just merely a threat because you can't dissolve. If you dissolve it, Now, if you use it to push them to do something, fine. But if you really believe that it can be solved with the consequences that come with it, then there is something wrong with that kind of judgment. But really, we want to, especially if the referendum has issues also relating to judiciary. Now you get out, you really want to push those positions. I thought that is what we are told, conflict of interest. You avoid making judgments based on what you are feeling yourself as a judge. And if you have vendetta against somebody, what we've learned also is you recuse yourself. I remember when under petition, some of the judges who knew me as a friend recused themselves. They said, I can't hear that petition because I'll be conflicted. Now, given what they were saying about the president, you can see they have the data against him. They get out of their way even to make rulings on things that were not part of the petition. You start saying he has breached chapter 6. When who brought that petition? Who brought that prayer? And what submissions were made by both parties for you to make a conclusion? So those are some of the things that tell us there is something fundamentally wrong. And you read the provisions in the Constitution that do not exist. Our Constitution has no provision that says certain chapters are unamendable. So you start reading, actually rewriting our Constitution for us. You don't even want to let the people rewrite them through a referendum. You are questioning a legitimate process, but you go ahead to actually rewrite it yourself. So for me, I really want to agree with whoever, or even laymen who have not gone to law school can see the obvious fault with that judgment and why it can't stand in a serious court of law. And that's why we are with you when you are saying you will appeal. Hakuna watu watasimama kati ya Wakenya, wananchi wa Kenya, because the Constitution itself says they are the sovereignty of the people. Cannot be questioned. And that's why the amendments are being taken to them. If you realize you can't win there, then you want to use technicalities and the processes to stop that process. You are the one actually subverting the Constitution. You are the real danger to the constitution owner of this country. Kwa hivyo sisi as law respecting citizens tutaenda huko, tunawaunga mkono, you promoters muende mbele to appeal that judgment, tuweze kuendelea na process. Lakini nilisikia mkisema nyinyi hamjasimamishwa, kwa hivyo mtakuwa mkiendelea even as you appeal. Si ndio? Nilisikia mkisema hivyo. Mimi sina mengine zaidi. Sisi tutaendelea kuhudumia Wakenya, na sisi hiyo katiba, proposal kwa hiyo katiba iko na mambo mengi mazuri, mengi ya Wakenya wote, na hasa pande hii ya mlima, si ndio? Yes. Pande ya mlima mambo ikuwa mengi ambayo tumekuwa kiuliza kwa miaka mingi, ya kwamba tuwe represented vizuri kwa bunge kulingana na namba zetu za watu. Hiyo ilikuwa tunapatiwa hiyo na Wakenya, ya kwamba kuwe na equal representation ya Wakenya wote. Kule kulikuwa na imbalance, watu waweze kupata viti zaidi. Sasa hiyo tuseme tuache kwa sababu hatuwezi. Tumekuwa tukipigania tukisema pesa iongezwe kwa kaunti zetu. Ndio hawa mangava na waache kupiga kelele kila mwaka wakisema pesa itoshi. Na sisi tukaanza wakati ule tukasema, kwanza tulikuwa tunasema 40% of revenue iende kwa county, na imeongezewa kwa hii katiba. Kwa hivyo tutaendelea, si ndio? Kazi pia tumefanya pande hii kama vile Hausi amesema, mambo ya majani chai tunaendelea kuhakikisha pesa imeingia kwa mfuko ya mkulima ambaye ndiye mwenye majani chai. Mambo ya maziwa tunaendelea kuangazia mpaka tukaweka ile inaitwa minimum prices, kuhakikisha hakuna wakati mkulima wa maziwa atapata pesa chini ya hiyo. Kahawa